There are around 17 to 22 million different animals that get tested on each year in the United States. Today I'll be shining more light on the topic about animal testing. There are multiple different reasons of why we test animals in the medical field. The main purpose, or the main goal for animal testing is to find a solution to illnesses so we can understand how they work, but we can combat them in animals' bodies instead of losing human life. I will be talking about 3 different topics today, and those 3 different topics will include which animals get tested the most, laws in place to protect those animals, why do we have animal testing, and then finally the amount of animals that get tested on each year and the outcomes. There are many different animals that get tested on regularly, and those include primates, dogs, rats, mice, rabbits, pigs, fish, and cats. Those are just some of the animals, according to PETA.org, that get tested on regularly and most often. And there is a law to protect these animals. It's called the Animal Welfare Act. This basically means that animals need the bare minimum of standard living conditions. This was passed in 1966 to help animals that started to become mistreated in these purposes. Animals get tested on for a lot of reasons, and they mainly get tested on to try new drugs, steroids, and new surgery techniques that we are trying to help the human population, but we want to try them out first, just in case it doesn't work out or go as planned. We won't lose a human life, but rather a animal's life. Third reason, third and final reason, or topic, I guess, is normally in a given year there is anywhere from 17 to 22 million different animals tested on, like I've said, and however, different animal species get different amounts of tests ran on them each year. National Center for Biotech Information, the NCBI, says 85% of animals tested are rats and mice, and then less than 2% of that number of species tested are dogs, cats, and other non-human primates. To finish up, we've talked about 3 main points. These points including what animals get tested the most and laws in place to protect these animals, why we do animal testing, and finally, the amount of animals get tested on and the outcomes of those animals. So, thank you.